In Chinese history, Red Rabbit, Chitu, was the legendary steed of the great warrior Lu Bu, a horse known to travel 1,000 miles in a day without tiring. Today, Beijing Off-Road, BAIC, brings that spirit into the 21st century with the official launch of the BJ40 Range Extender, Red Rabbit Edition. Debuting on January 27, 2026, this isn't just a marketing name. It is a statement of endurance and power. Priced at 279,800 renminbi, the Red Rabbit Edition is a hardcore, factory-modified version of the BJ40 designed for those who want the silence and torque of an EV without the range anxiety of a pure battery vehicle. The first thing you notice is the flame red metallic paint, a high saturation finish that demands attention. But the Red Rabbit Edition is more than skin deep. It comes factory-equipped with over 200,000 renminbi worth of upgrades, including a raised front hood, a newly designed aggressive front grille, and specialized off-road decals. For the serious adventurer, it features a 2-inch nitrogen shock absorber lift kit, high-flow wading snorkels, and high-penetration spotlights integrated into the roof. It is a vehicle that looks as if it's ready to conquer the Gobi Desert straight off the showroom floor, complete with reinforced tow hooks and a rear winch. The heart of the Red Rabbit is the Magic Core electric drive platform. Under the hood sits a 1.5T turbocharged engine that acts exclusively as a generator, feeding a high-performance dual-motor system. This setup delivers a staggering 403 kilowatts, 540 horsepower, and 655 newton-meters of torque, allowing this rugged beast to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.5 seconds. Range is where the Red Rabbit truly lives up to its name. With a theoretical combined range of 1,200 kilometers, CLTC, and a pure electric range of 155 kilometers, it handles daily city commutes on zero gas while offering enough stamina for cross-country expeditions. In recent real-world tests across heavy rain and highway speeds, the BJ40 REEV proved its resilience by maintaining high efficiency even in the most adverse conditions. Inside, the tough guy exterior gives way to a high-tech sanctuary. The cabin features a triple-screen layout driven by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip, ensuring the interface is as smooth as a flagship smartphone. With dual 12.8-inch central control screens and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, the driver has total control over navigation, off-road telemetry, and entertainment. Safety is also prioritized with an embedded metal roll cage and a chassis protected by basalt armor to prevent rock damage during extreme rock crawling. The BJ40 Range Extender Red Rabbit Edition is a rare breed. It offers the classic boxy charm of a hardcore SUV, the go-anywhere capability of a modified off-roader, and the futuristic efficiency of an electric drivetrain. By blending the legendary stamina of the Red Rabbit horse with BAIC's off-road heritage, this vehicle proves that you don't have to choose between saving the planet and exploring it.